Hello and welcome to the channel, where we help you get the most out of your apps and devices. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to improve your audio experience on Spotify by changing the streaming quality to high. It's simple, quick, and makes a big difference. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. After that, tap on Media Quality. Now, look for the section called Audio Streaming Quality. Finally, change the setting to High for better audio. Additionally, under Cellular Streaming, make sure to also set the quality to High to maintain the same audio level when using mobile data. That's it! You've now improved your Spotify audio settings for a richer listening experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips.